Listen, I just came back from the Middle East, and this is the worst arrangement I've ever seen. Those so-called luxurious palaces. Come on, any Trump Tower in New York is more magnificent than this. They greeted me with a 24-karat gold fountain. It's ridiculous. I've had solid gold faucets in my Mar-a-Lago in Florida for 10 years. Their negotiation skills are even more disastrous. They actually thought they could make me give in with just a few dinners on gold plates. I've been in the business world for 50 years, and no one can take advantage of President Trump. I directly told them, either follow my rules or don't waste my time. And what happened? They obediently signed the agreement because no one knows negotiation better than me. The most ridiculous thing is those media. They took hundreds of photos, but not a single one can show my presidential demeanor. Next time I go there, only if they decorate the whole country in Trump style. Otherwise, don't even think about it.